Hi guys, this is Jessica D on the road, but we're not on the road right now. We're in the kitchen because we are renovating our kitchen tiles. So I've created a video for the first time using this Cosmetic Sealant, and I've ordered this since hindi nga talaga ako madalas na hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay. So this was my first trial. So, dahil first time ko ang gumamit, medyo naparami ata yung first try ko. But, eventually, dito sa later part, is natutunan ko na siya kung paano gamitin. So, I'll show you the first one. Yan. Okay, yan. Yung first, So, this time, what I'm gonna do is this part naman, this floor, this table, this is our stove table. Dito nakalagay yung stove namin. And, kaya siya nagbitak dito kasi nga yung heat. Because, as I said on the first video, this is a 50-year-old kitchen. Hindi pa po kayo naman nagbabago or nagre-renovate ng kitchen namin ever since the war. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-una ulit. So, squeeze ng konti. Pag may lumabas na, ayan, may lumabas na. Dahan-dahan, tapos while squeezing it gently. Ayan. Pwede mabagal, pwede mabilis. Basta consistent yung pag-squeeze nyo. The more squeeze, the more na may lalabas. Kaya, ayan guys, so we are done putting cosmetic sealant sa ating tiles. So, I think we have a good review right now. Ito na siya. Hindi pa siya tapos kasi, actually tapos na siya, pinapatuyo na lang. And I think we did some justice dito sa ating ginawang tiles na to. I'm happy with it, and we will just wait for tomorrow para matuyo siya, and then we will take a picture again. So thank you for joining me today, guys, as we put this cosmetic sealant sa ating tiles. And this is a good product what we have here, and I do recommend this. It's from Van Lench. Yan. Van Lench. Yan, cosmetic sealant. Very recommendable. So that is it. Thank you for joining me today. Jessica D on the road in the kitchen. Signing out, guys. Thank you. Bye.